Hello student, how are you? Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to prepare a new lesson for you, and this lesson is all about article, English grammar. Okay, article is the most important part of English grammar because especially article is very important for the class 5 to 12 because the common question article comes at the first questions in the exam paper. Today, I'll help you make you understand article and use of articles and where you will use articles and where not. Okay, my dear students, so I hope in this lesson you'll be very attentive. Okay, are you ready for that? Let's get started. Our today's topic is article. And we are going to talk about article. First of all, you have to know what is article in English grammar. Article are the words a and the used to modify noun words. Persons, place, object or idea. That means article modify noun words. What type of noun words? Persons, place, object or idea. For example, the Himalayas are covered with ice. Here, the article. Dear student, you have to know how many kinds of article. Article are two kinds. One is indefinite article, a, and another is definite article, the. Now you have to know where you should use articles. Okay, dear student, now we'll talk about where you should use article a and called indefinite article. That means not specific. Okay, dear students, you are watching on the screen. A is placed before a word, adverb, adjective, noun. Why adverb, adjective? We know article used for noun words, okay? But to modify noun, sometimes you will get some words. Those are adverb and adjective. So that is why a is placed before a word, adverb, adjective, noun, starting with a consonant. My dear student, hope you know well what is consonant. For example, B, C, D, F, Z. These are all consonant and vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Example, Mr. Alex has bought new car. Look, here after the blanks new and the first letter is consonant. That is why here you have to use A. Now look at the second options. N is placed before a word starting with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. For example, Mr. Alex has bought blank, then X. Look at the word X. The first letter here, vowel. That is why you have to use here N. Okay, hope you understand, right? The next option, A or N. The first two options are normal options, and these options based on consonant or vowel. But from now A or N is placed before a profession. Example, Miss Jasmine is blank nurse. Nurse is a profession. Teacher is a profession. Doctor. So this kind of profession, if you find in your exam paper, you have to use article A or N. And you know well where you should use A or N. Okay, the next option, A or N, is placed before a countable noun. Do you know what is countable noun? Oh, it's easy. Countable, the noun you can count. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, for example, I have blank pen. Pen. Pen is a countable noun. You can count pen. Okay, so pen, the first letter, P, consonant. That's why you have to use here A. Okay, so now you're going to learn some exceptional use of article A and an. Why this is exceptional? Because this is not common. An is placed even before a word is started with consonant H, if the letter is pronounced as a vowel. If you find any word, the first letter H of course is consonant, but not pronounced as consonant, pronounced as vowel. That is why you have to use here an, not a. For example, he is dash honest man. Here the first letter H, honest, but H is not pronounced, right? That's why the correct answer an. Next option, an is placed before an abbreviation form of word. Do you know what is abbreviation form? Abbreviation form means the word short form. For example, he is blank BA. What does it mean, BA? Bachelor of Arts. Okay, BA is the abbreviation form. Okay, so where you should use A before abbreviation form and where an? If pronunciation goes with consonant sound, you have to use A. Suppose he is B-A, B, B. That means the first sound consonant, then comes vowel. That is why you have to use A. And the next one, if the pronunciation goes with vowel sound first, then you have to use an. Example, he is an M.A. What is the pronunciation of abbreviation word M.A.? Am. That means first comes a vowel sound. That is why you have to use an. M.A. means Masters of Arts. We are going to learn the use of the. The is a definite article, specific. Okay, so article the is placed. Cases. Look, before a noun that denotes any universal creation like river, sea, hill, mountain, ocean, sun, earth, moon, star, etc. For example, the Padma, you know, Padma is the name of the river, right? The Padma is a big river. The Himalayas are covered with ice. We crossed the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Bay of Bengal. The Sahara, you know, Sahara is the name of a desert. The Sahara is a desert. The Andaman is a group of islands. Here you're watching the red color words. All the words are universal creation by the creator. That is why you have to use here article the. The next option, article the is placed before a name of a nation. For example, the English are brave. The Bangladeshis are hospitable. Here, my dear student, you are watching two words, red color, English and Bangladeshis. Here, the two words, English and Bangladeshi, are name of two nations. That is why you have to use here article the. Article the is placed before a historical or religious book like the Holy Quran, the Bible, etc. For example, she recites the Holy Quran. Article the is also used before the name of newspapers. For example, the Observer is a daily newspaper. Here the red color words Observer is a name of a newspaper. That is why you have to use here article the. Before an adjective while meaning an entire race or class, you have to use article the. The poor are hated by the rich. Here the word poor is an adjective, but while you want to mean the entire race, poor people, okay, you have to use article the. Article the is also used before an adjective with superlative form. You know what is superlative form? For example, he is the bravest man in the locality. Here bravest, the superlative form. The next option, before the name of ordinal direction. Do you know what is ordinal directions? The south, the north, the east, the west are called ordinal direction. So if you find any ordinal direction name, you have to use article the. Now my dear students, very important topics where you should not use any article. That means cross. No article will be used there. For some cases. Dear student, in some exceptional cases, article is not used. For example, before a proper noun. Proper noun. Bangladesh is a small country. Here Bangladesh word proper noun. That is why you should not use any article there. Before an uncountable noun, suppose tea, tea is an uncountable noun. That is why no article. Before a material noun, iron, diamond, oil, gas, all are called material noun. You should not use any article there. That means no article. Iron is a useful metal. Before an abstract noun, abstract quality. Honesty is the best policy. Here honesty. Honesty, can you say honesty? Can you wait? No. No option for saying, no option for measuring, okay? These are called abstract idea. Abstract. That is why no article. Before the name of days. Have you ever seen anywhere used article the before Saturday, before Sunday? The Sunday, the Monday? No. No. Before the name of month, January, February? No. Any festival? No. Any language? No. Okay, suppose Eid al-Fitr is the biggest religious festival of the Muslims. Here no article. Okay. Before any language, no article. Okay, my dear student, this is the basic knowledge of article. Today, I have tried with my best level to make you understand about article. I hope you understand, okay? Thank you for watching my lecture. Would you mind pressing the subscribe button and like comments what you understand from my lesson? Okay, feel free to let me know what you need in my next video. Thank you.